Hey guys, this is the algorithm challenge, day 51, and today we're going to continue with the two pointers problem. The reason why the video is quite late today is because when I was recording my Dutch video, I ordered a burger and then it was supposed to come 30 minutes before midnight, and I waited, didn't come, didn't come. After 2 hours it came, 2 hours after ordering. I was just starving, and yeah, I just finished everything. And now with my filled stomach, I'm recording this. So sorry once again to myself for not recording it earlier. But anyways, now that we are here, I'm gonna share my screen to show what problem it is. So we've done several palindrome problems. Given a string S, we return true if S can be palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. So what is a palindrome? We already know that it's where the first and last index element is the same, right? When we move on uh, towards the middle and then they're all the same, then it's a palindrome. Here, ABA, without deleting any character, it is already a palindrome, so we return true. Here, if we delete C, then it becomes ABA, so it becomes true again. Here, there's no way that this could be a palindrome, so we return false. So we again use the left and right pointer. We're going to initialize two pointers, left and right. There's also going to be a main loop where we compare the characters from the start and the end of the string moving inwards. This loop will run as long as left is less than right. If the element that the left pointer is pointing at is equal to the right pointer element that the right pointer is pointing at, just a usual palindrome logic, then it is already a palindrome. It then increments left and then decrements right to continue checking. And then if it is not equal, then at this point, the function must decide whether the string can be still considered a valid palindrome by removing at most one character. So there will be a helper function implemented in this case. This is a special part about this question that's called remove. So it will be defined to check if the remaining substring is palindrome after removing one of the mismatched characters. So yeah, the variable will be string, and then there will be left and right pointer. It returns true if removing either the character at left or right pointer leads to a potential palindrome. And this will be checked by calling remove left plus one and right, which ignores the left character, and or remove left and right minus one, which ignores the right character. And then we're going to return the conclusion, which is whether the palindrome it is a palindrome or not. So yeah, that was it for what we're going to do. Now we're going to code it. So we initialize two pointers. So left is 0, right is length of s, the array, minus 1. Now we're going to move the two pointers like usual. So while left is on the left side of the right pointer, and if the element that the left pointer is pointing at is equal to element the right pointer is pointing at, then it means that, okay, if it is not, let's do this first, then it means we have to check if removing one character from it could lead to a potential palindrome, right? So we return first of all false, and um, we if not if not the case, then we increment left by 1 and right -1, and we keep on checking. And if that's the case, we return true. And then also we return, we have to return if removing one character from S, right, or remove S left, right, -1. One character from left to right makes it equal the palindrome. So we do this. Indentation is quite tricky, guys. Left, right, return. Well, left. False, left, left, right, -1. We return true. Yeah, left is equal to true, right is 1. Well, left is 1, then, uh, mm. No, we forgot to define the helper function here, so that would be define remove string left, right, and here, while left is right. If string left, so if the left inside this helper function, if the element that the left pointer is pointing at in the string is not equal to the element that right pointer is pointing at, then we know that the string is not palindrome, so we return false. And then we continue checking if that's not the case, right? And then after this, we return true if everything goes by plan, and then keep on checking. One, right, one, and return. Good. I think still the indentation is quite wrong. If, well, turn true. Yeah, let's see if this works. Move S left is 1, or remove. I don't know what kind of syntax you're talking. S plus right, right, S and -1. Oh, there was a semicolon. Yeah, there's an indentation problem. See, nine. Move. Right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it here and then try to solve it tomorrow. I really need to get some sleep. Oh, I feel so bad. This is an easy level question. Anyways, guys, that was it for day 51. It's a bit of a shame, but I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new me.